Hybrid. Milk, honey, but three. That's kind of wild. Happy to this update, but we need to take a break soon. Some people might want to make a video for the website. Sure, Middleburg. What happened there? Here. Wait there. And if you don't think this is cool, you have no soul. Okay.
And you might be able to see it glowing in there if I get it angled right to you. It's making a sound. That sound must be making the pipe. The blowtorch must be making the pipe. You can hear it vibrate. Excellent. Okay, anytime you hear sound, you've always got to identify what's vibrating. And I get it nice and hot. And then